This 2024 Grand Design Imagine 2660BS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 30 feet 6 inches in length and features sleeps 4, smoke detector, water heater, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, slide-out, oven, spare tire kit, leveling jacks, refrigerator, LP detector, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Imagine 2660BS is 6,564 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.